Earthquake. 6.1 quake strikes near Ozernovskiy, Russia. A shallow magnitude 6.1 earthquake was reported Thursday afternoon 163 miles off the coast of Ozernovskiy, Russia, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. The tremor occurred at 3:06 p.m. PDT at a depth of 5.6 miles. Ozernovskiy is a town on Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula. There was little or no effect on the population, according to the USGS. In the last 10 days, there have been no earthquakes of magnitude 3.0 or greater centered nearby.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.